Hello friends and welcome! So a little while ago I made this Bellossom plush and I made the embroidery files available. I'll leave a link in the description. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble all the pieces once you have them embroidered and turned right side out. I'm starting off with the body. So this body I made it in my embroidery machine. It stitches out the face and then the body outline. And this fits in a 5x7, but if you have a 4x4 machine, I also included a template for the body so that you can just do the face and then sew the body after. So I'm just stuffing it through the hole that was left on the bottom here. And there's a bunch of these leaves. And I'm just going to put a little bit of stuffing into each one just so they all have some dimension. You can also leave some of them unstuffed, like maybe the bottom layers you don't have to stuff, or maybe just the top layer of leaves you put a little bit of stuffing. And for these leaves I'm going to take 4 and put them together like this. And then I'm just going to sew them all together in this position. And this will make it easier for me to put it onto the body. The flowers were also done in the embroidery machine, and I cut a hole in the back to turn them right side out. I'm going to put them on the head, decide how I like them positioned, and then sew them down using a ladder stitch. Now those 4 leaves that I had sewn earlier into position, I'm just going to slide them onto the body. And pin them in place, and just sew them securely to the body so they don't slide off. And then I'm pretty much going to do that with the next couple layers of leaves. And as you can probably see, it's going to be green, yellow, green. I'm just going to go around and stitch some of these leaves to each other just so they're a little more secure and not flapping around everywhere. And after assembling all of the parts, your Bellossom is done! Now isn't she adorable? And I'll leave a link to the embroidery files in the description below. And the files are free, but you can leave a tip if you're so inclined. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!